Welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me Samsung Galaxy A54 5G, and now I'm gonna show you top 3 bad themes for this device. So, firstly open the Play Store and find here the third theme in my top, Niagara Launcher. Click Install. And click Open. And great. Sorry. As you can see, here is a really minimalistic launcher. You can select your favorite apps here, and here you will see your really favorite. You can see a really minimalistic interface with a really handy feature of grouping application. As you can see, we have here our main menu on the right part of our screen. So here is the alphabetical line. And in this way you can really quickly find any application you want. For example, if you want to find Play Store, just scroll your finger to P button, and here you will see the Play Store. So I'm using launchers on my Android device in one way. So I'm using 3 launchers, so these 3 best launchers in different situations. So I have a shortcut to set one of the launchers as default, and in this way I can use Niagara Launcher when I am at work. So here, using this launcher, I have no inline features, and I don't know, and features I don't need. So I have only my favorite applications, and if I want to find any application, I can just find it using one swipe on the alphabetical line. The second launcher I really love. This is the Smart Launcher 6. I'm not the zoomer, but I have a switcher mentality, so I sometimes need to switch between different appearance of my device to love my device. So click Continue while using the app. Allow. Confirm. You can pay for premium, but I don't suggest you do it, because you can use this launcher completely for free. And why I love this launcher? Because it's really beautiful. As you can see, we have here really beautiful fonts. We have really great smart search feature. Using this feature, you can find your emails, files, contacts, and other. Here you have handy apps grouping feature. So here you have all your apps grouped by folders. For example, here are my games, media, utilities, and settings. Here my chats and browsers and internet surfing applications. Here we have news, and that's it. Here, of course, you have wallpapers. You have really great wallpapers gallery. So I think here we have the most beautiful wallpaper gallery ever, and I really love it. So setting up the wallpaper and go back. Great. And as you can see, I have this wallpaper on all my launchers, and on the first place in my top is Microsoft Launcher. I'm using Smart Launcher 6 when I am at home, when I have the free time, because it's really beautiful and colorful. I don't know, but Microsoft Launcher I'm using when I need to be productivity, when I need to be really multitasking, because firstly, you have Samsung device, and Samsung device is working with all Microsoft applications, and Microsoft Launcher is, if you will install Microsoft Launcher, it will build in your system. And as you can see, here I have apps on your home screen, so I can click Continue, always allow, and in this way, so as default, Microsoft. And as you can see, here I have the normal Samsung launcher appearance, but with all Microsoft launcher features. So here I have glance panel. Here you can set up all your widgets. You don't need to set up widgets on home screens, then switch between your home screens to find needed widget. You have all your widgets on this panel, and it's really helpful and useful. Here you have main menu, you have alphabetical line here too, you have the search, but you have the photo search and voice search built in your launcher. Okay, you have two lines of favorite apps. These apps are available on all home screen, as you can see. I can, for example, get Ampere here, and as you can see, Ampere is everywhere. And here, why I love this launcher, and if you'll try it, you will use it always. So just try open launcher settings and find your gestures. And in this way you can set up, for example, opening any application by just swiping up using 2 fingers. I'm using my Facebook chats and Facebook group using these finger gestures, because I need to open it very a lot of times per day. So okay, and in this way, if you are in university, for example, if you are studying, so it will very helpful for you, because in one gest you will be able to open a shortcut you need. So it's really helpful. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.